In this screencast, I'm going to explain how the structure of our project aligns with the needs of shareholders. Now, in order to make sure that the questions and answers in our discussion board are of the highest quality, um, a share a share stakeholders will most likely uh, want some sort of a review system, so people can immediately see which questions and answers are quality and which aren't. And that's exactly what this implementation is meant to do through through our structure of our new implementation. We can ensure that we can provide reviews to questions and proposed answers. First, with with the individual reviews, um, um, those are used to make up the lists of reviews. And for the discussion board, DAO, it's mainly in charge of handling both lists of reviews and individual reviews in order to implement its CRUD functions. Furthermore, the 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 TB3 tests are meant to test out these CRUD functions in discussion board DAO to make sure that they are functioning to the best ability. And for the discussion board page itself, it uses the CRUD functions in discussion board DAO to make its buttons work. And it also uses the discussion board validator to make sure that all incoming reviews are the best quality. And this can also be seen with this sequence diagram showing how with the discussion board page, um it um its functions are helped by the discussion board validator to make sure that they are valid, and then they are sent into the discussion board DAO so it can actually handle the heavy duty stuff. And with the tests, it tests out all the important functions and scenarios that the discussion board DAO is meant to handle to make sure it's functioning properly. And of course, the discussion board DAO relies on the in both individual reviews and the list of reviews in order to make it fully work. And the reviews are made up of individual reviews. So uh, so so its own functions can work. So through this structure, we can ensure that users and students will have no trouble creating, viewing, updating, and deleting reviews to questions and answers to make sure that they are getting only the best information. Thanks for watching.